Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today's topic is all about that how can you learn about the new highs and new lows. So today's topic is about new highs and new lows. So let's see. Now if you analyze the market here, I can go here with the sellers. Okay, market gave me a late entry point but no issues. Again I can go here with the sellers and I know the market will close as a bearish. Why? If you analyze here, the market made a new low. It means that the next market move will be a bearish move. So now you can see this new low is telling me that the market is depending upon sellers, so the market will go down. So therefore I took my trade here, and now you can see market is trying to go down. Okay, let's see. Okay, now again you can see I am seeing here a seller's entry making a new low. So at this area still I can go here with the sellers. Okay, unfortunately market gave me this entry point, so no issues. If the market goes up, I am going to take my trade in a down direction, and my prediction will be only for the bearish candlestick. Okay, it is a bit risky trade. Yes, it is a risky trade. Now you can see here I took my trade here and market gave me a very bad entry point, so let's hope for the best, otherwise we will lose this trade for sure. Okay, now you can see again if I get here my win, so it will be the luckiest trade for me. So let's see. Okay, so I got my winning trade here. Now if I want to go here with the buyers, why I am taking this trade here? Now you can see here again market is making a new high and the next level is here, so there is a gap to the level. Right now the opening price is having a gap to the level, so therefore we can win this trade. Okay, so because of the gap we can win this trade. So let's see what happens here. My prediction is only for the bullish candlestick because of this new high, because of the gap. So now you can see again market is going up. So now you can see here market is going up and it will make here a confirm winning trade. Now you can see I got here an ITM. Okay, so now you can see here this candle is making a new low, so this is not a good area to go with this new low, because you can see here this is a strong candle and a sign of continuation, so a bit risky trade, so you need to avoid this kind of trades. So now again you can see market is making a new low, so after this candlestick can I go here with the sellers? Yes, I can go here with the sellers. The next candle will definitely be a bearish candle. The next candle will definitely be a bearish candle, so let's see. Okay, why? Because you can see here again I am seeing here a new low. It means that market wants to go down, so this is the rejection. This is the rejection from the sellers. Okay, rejection of sellers, so it is making a new low, so it means that market has to go down. So let's see what happens here. And after this candle I am going to discontinue my trading, and I will try to explain you all that how can we take trades according to the new highs and new lows. So let's see and wait what happens here. Now you can see I took 4 trades here and I won all of them. I took here 2 more trades because of the bad entry point. So now you can see I took here 4 trades and I won all of them. So now if you want to see here one thing, okay, so here I want to show you here one thing, that if you want to go here, let me zoom out my screen bit more. So now you can see here this is a downtrend. Now in this area you can focus on your lower lows. So now you can see market is trying to go down. It is a downtrend and we have confusion about that. If the candle is closing like this, sometime we think that okay, it will go down, but market gives us another situation, market goes up. So this is the thing. Okay, so now I want to change the color. So now you can see here, if I say that in this zone the market has to go up, why it is not going up? So you need to consider here a level. Okay, so now you can see here market reverse, because you can see the first confirmation is this one, that there are rejections. So market is now, what is market doing? Market is hitting and closing at this area, and now it is reversing back. Okay, so there is a level on the left side, there must be a level. So let me show you here. Now you can see here, if I draw the lines here, now you can see here this is the level. Okay, so now you can see, if I want to show you here one thing, that why this market reversed from this area, why after making a high it is not going up. So reason is this one. So this is the reason, this is the level. So this area is now acting as a SNR. Okay, so this area is now acting as a SNR. So if I want to make it more clear, so let me show you here. You can see overall this is the area. Okay, overall this is the area. You can see market came to this level and again market starts to go up, and again it is going up, and again it is going up. So therefore this candle is reversing from this one, because you can see here this is acting as a support and resistance for this time. So now you can see this is also a reversal candlestick, but why it is not going up? Because you can see there is a small gap. So because of this gap market went down, and after breakout market reversed. So why market is reversing here? You can see here after breakout market try to retest the level. So now this level is telling me that this is the strong candle. Now you can, this is a strong level, so therefore the next candle is going down. So I want to explain this very clearly, that now you can see if there is a level, so the new high will not work. The new high will not work at the level. It will act as a rejection. In the middle of the trend it will act as a continuation. Okay, so now I took this trade and now you can see I won this trade here. Okay, so Now as I told you that in this area this will work as a rejection and continue. So now let's try to move to my next trade. Okay, so now you can see here I took my trade. Okay, so now at this time let me show you here. I took my trade here in a down direction. Now you can see here this candle is making a new low. So for me it was a bit risky trade, but I took this one. But now you can see market gave me again a late entry with the gap down. So I knew that the market can go down and close as a bearish. Why? Because you can see here market is making a new low, and now you can see here the level is away from this point. So therefore I took my trade here. So now you can see I won this trade because of the new low. Okay, so if market is making the new lows and if there is no level, so market will go down. If there is a level, so it will reverse. Okay, so now let me show you here my other trade. Okay, so now if you analyze this market here, it is very much simple that I took my trade here. Why? If you analyze this market, you can see this is a new low, this is an uptrend. It is a sign of continuation right now. So market will not reverse unless it reaches this area. So there was a gap, and now you can see market gave me a very good entry point here. Market opened with the gap up, but I took my trade here with the margin of safety, and now you can see again I won this trade. So therefore we are winning on the basis of new high. So now let me show you here my last trade. Okay, now you can see here this time if you analyze the market here, now you can see market closed here. So you can see here there was a minor gap, but I was thinking that this is the level, and now I want to show you this one here clearly. Now you can see here market closed here. Okay, so now I was waiting here also. Okay, I got here a new low, but it was a level, so therefore I was ignoring this trade. But now what I am doing here is very much simple, that I waited for the next candlestick. Now this candlestick made a new low, so it means that I'm seeing here a rejection from the sellers. I'm seeing here a new low, so therefore I took my trade and I won this trade, because you can see here now the next level is here. So now you can see here from this point now market is reversing back again. Okay, so this is how we can use the new highs and new lows. So again you can see here I want to show you here one thing, that okay, let me show you here again. It is a very much important thing. So here I took my trade on the basis of new high with no level. Okay, so here I took my trade with new high and there was no level, so therefore the next market move went up. Okay, so Now you can see this was the level. As I told you, here there was a gap, and after this area market reversed. So this was a new high with no levels. So let me show you here. I took my trade here with a new low with no level. So let me show you here. I took my trade here with the new low okay, with the new low and no level. Okay, so here I took my trade with a new low and no level. So this is how you can read the new highs and new lows, and it is easy to understand. You need to practice it. If you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can ask me on my channel trading skill group. So try to share your trades there, and I want you all to participate in helping each other, because I have a time issue, so therefore I am not 100% available. So but I want you all to help each other, and I will appreciate it very much if you do and help the other members. It will be good for you all. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. And again, I am requesting you all to help each other. If someone knows a single thing, try to share it, because I am sharing almost each and everything in the easiest and best manner. So if you help the other individuals, you will gain your knowledge. It is a confirmed thing that if you share your knowledge, you will get more strong and much stronger knowledge. So there is no issue for me by sharing all these, because I am trying to help you all and try to help each and other. So have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. See you.